great stone roads we build are symbols of conquest, forcing the land to conform to our direction. But the earth prefers the fluid path of the river, the slow, winding track of the animal. When our pavement cracks, the water will flow free, defining new paths that are harmonious, not coercive. Our brief time was spent trying to dominate the terrain. The final wisdom is found in following the natural curves, accepting the flow, and realizing that the true journey is not measured in distance, but in the beauty of the path taken.